Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your hikvision DVR and the hikconnect mobile app locally. You no need internet for this. You can view your camera from same Wi-Fi. When you are in same Wi-Fi you can view your camera. First you need to check your Wi-Fi in the your DVR and the Wi-Fi in the same network, and you need to go to the hikconnect mobile app. After that, the upside corner you can see plus mark here, and press plus mark. Then you need to select check the online device. If your device and mobile phone in the same network, when you click this you can see the device. This is my device. You can see that the IP address, the DVR. Then you just click and check is there anything here. Everything is okay, and add. When you add, it asks the password. So yeah, it's asks password, username cannot empty. Okay, I will put password, but yes, it's coming. Admin, this is my DVR password, DVR username, and admin, I don't forget the admin 123 or something. I will try. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's already connected. You can see here. Before it says active, now it's showing completed. So after that you can see this is the one I connected before. You can see previous videos. It is through the cloud. Now this one is a locally connected. When you are in the same network you don't need internet. Just go and open this. You can view camera. Yes, because I am little bit far from the router, that's why it's little slow. So but the two cameras came up. Yeah, you can see it's live. Okay, today video is finished. I hope you learn something about the hikconnect and the DVR. If you have any question, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.